Hi everyone, I'm Jed and today we are going to learn how to draw a digital circuit using AutoCAD. First, let us open our software and then click Start Drawing. Let us also open our digital circuit diagram for reference. An attachment will be included for you to download it. Make sure to check these options: endpoint, midpoint, center, intersection. So what we're going to draw is the NOT gate, the AND gate, the NAND gate, the OR gate, the XOR gate, its connections, and of course, the truth table. Set tracking to snap angle at 30 degrees. This will help you to construct the triangle easier, since we're going to construct an equilateral triangle which has 30 degrees on each angle. Now, using 2-point circle, draw a circle at the tip of the triangle with a diameter of 30 millimeters. Using line command, draw a rectangle 250 by 200 millimeters in dimension. This will be used for the AND gate. And now the curve can be drawn using the center diameter, having its centered at the one side of the rectangle and having a diameter of 250. Now you can use trim to remove unwanted lines and curves. To make the NAND gate, you can just duplicate the AND gate and put a circle at its tip, which serves as the complement to make it a NAND gate. Now let us draw another rectangle for the OR gate with the same dimensions, and for its curve it is sharper, so we can use an arc, the start end angle, and set its angle to 60 degrees. Repeat the process to the bottom part. There you go. And now we can make this curve at the other side by putting another line for guide, and then a circle centered at the end of the line and its circumference intersecting with the corners of the rectangle. Again, remove unwanted lines and curves using trim. Adjust the curves based from the reference. And to make the XOR gate, we need just to duplicate the curve there and put it side by side. We can adjust it a little bit more. There you go. Now copy paste similar gates on the diagram. As we notice, there are 3 NOT gates, so let us copy it. There you go. And there are 2 AND gates. Again, copy and paste. And lastly, the OR gate. Let's just get this OR gate from here. There you go. Now draw guidelines which will be used to connect the gates. The height of this guideline is 60 millimeters, while its length horizontally is 40 millimeters from the side of the rectangle. There you go. These lines will be used as the connecting guides for later use. Now place the gates in their proper position. We can use the construction line for easier alignment, like this. And then let us get our AND gate and put it here, just like in the reference. And let's put some guidelines, and there you go. Let us continue connecting the gates properly based from the circuit diagram. I am just using the line command to connect these gates. Okay. There you go. And for the last connection, hit the bottom. There you go. And now let's just remove the excess lines using the trim command. And here you can notice that there are small dots or like diamonds. So let us make a square 10 millimeters each side and then rotate it by 45 degrees. Okay. Now add the solid fill to the square using the hatch command and remove its outline, and then copy paste and place accordingly based from the circuit diagram. You can duplicate it how many times you want. There you go, and place it properly. Put this last dot. There you go, and then now using the text command, type the name for each input and output terminal. As you can see, there are 3 inputs. So let's just copy this text. Copy this text and place it for all the inputs and even for the outputs. Here you go. And edit it. We have A, B, C, and for our output we have letter Y. Remove this guideline. Again, using text command, type in the truth table. Just copy what is in the circuit diagram. Text size, font style, etc. can be adjusted using right-click, then Properties. So let us select all the inputs and output, and adjust its size to make it more visible. And let's put our truth table in its proper place. There we go, we're done with our circuit. For template, draw a border and partitions where we'll put our info later. Rectangle's dimension is 297 by 420 millimeters, which is the size of an A3 paper. But this will be based on what is required by your instructor. So for the border, that is 10 millimeter width, and the height of this partition is 40 millimeters, and divide this by according to the number of partitions you will need for your informations. Now let us copy the diagram and adjust its size by selecting all of it and then scale and then left click. Enter the percent of reduction, or you can drag to your desired size. Add in the information such as name, date, the title, etc. Let's do our final adjustments. Make sure that everything will fit perfectly. Here we go. And now for printing. Make sure to select the following options. So our paper again is A3. Yes, it's normal. And then landscape, center plot, and the display would be window. And we are to select our template. And this is our preview. Everything looks fine. So we can apply changes and then save it as PDF for printing. Let's check if it's here. There we go. And we are done drawing our digital circuit diagram. Thank you for listening.